Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. Today I'm going to be sharing some tips and tricks to grow your hair, as well as a full tutorial to how I got my hair so sleek and so straight. So I'm going to start off by showing you guys my hair. It is very long. So yes, it is very long, and yes, this is all my hair. I know it might be hard to believe. No, that's a question that I get asked literally all the time. People are like, is that your hair? Do you have extensions? Is that a wig? I'm like, nope, it's my hair. Okay, so this is how long my hair is right now. Oh yeah, don't mind my lamp without a shade on it. I used to have another shade on it, but I was actually changing it out, so I'm waiting for my new one to come in. But yep, this is the back of my hair. As you can see, it definitely touches my butt. And yeah. Okay, so tip number one, stop washing your hair every day. Seriously, stop washing your hair every day. I don't know how many people tell me, well, I want to grow out my hair. And then I ask them, well, do you wash it every day? And they're like, yeah, every single day. I'm guilty of this because I used to wash my hair every single day just because it got really greasy if I skipped a day. So I thought that I needed to wash my hair every day. But I started training my hair. So I would start with every other day, every 2 days, every 3 days. And now your girl washes her hair twice a week. Yep, twice a week. I literally wash my hair on Wednesdays and Sundays. Those are my hair washing days. Or Saturday if like I have an event or something to go to that day. But it doesn't get greasy anymore. It doesn't. Because when you're washing your hair every day, you're stripping your hair of its natural oil. So of course, if you don't wash it, it's going to start to produce that oil. That's normal. Just train your hair and it'll be so much healthier. Like, I don't know how many times I have to say, but our hair is not supposed to be washed every single day. And like, I don't know, I get in full arguments with people and they're like, I need to wash my hair every day. And I'm like, second tip, stop putting heat on your hair. As I'm sitting here with perfectly straightened hair. No, but in reality, I only straighten my hair like once a week, if that. Heat is just really bad for your hair. I know they have like thermal protection sprays and stuff that are supposed to protect your hair, but heat is just not good on your hair. So minimize it as much as possible and you'll see your hair will look a lot healthier. Tip number 3, don't dye it. Don't put harsh chemicals in it. Don't bleach it, which is like one of the worst things that you can possibly do to your hair. I personally dye my hair like once every 6 months. I naturally have like really light brown hair. My mom dyes it black from Sally's and Ion. It's a 2 natural, so it's like the darkest brown one. So yeah, it's pretty much black, but my natural hair is really light brown. Number 4, I personally don't know if this is like something that's proven, but I feel like I saw a lot of hair growth when I started doing this. Drink your water. I literally chug water like it's nobody's business all day long. Water is obviously really good for your skin, so it keeps your skin hydrated and stuff, so I imagine that it does the same for your hair. So yeah, drink your water. Tip number 5, I think I'm on 5. Yeah, 5. Tip number 5, biotin. I used to take biotin and I saw the biggest difference in my hair. I saw the biggest difference in my hair, skin, and my nails. I recently stopped taking it because my hair was already long enough, and it doesn't just make the hair on your head grow, it makes the hair everywhere else grow as well. So I was having to shave my legs more often than I'd like to, and like I don't have acrylic nails, but I would definitely see a lot of growth on my nails, and I just don't got time to be getting a manicure once a week because my nails grew that long. But yeah, biotin works really well. Okay, tip number 6, trim your hair. I'm not saying cut it, I'm not saying cut inches and inches off of it, but get a regular trim every like 5 or 6 months. I usually do like half an inch. Now my hair grows so fast where I trim it a little bit more than what I used to, or like I'll have my mom cut an inch off here and there just because my hair is like well past my hips. So I want to keep it at this length and I don't want it to get any longer. The last tip I want to say, don't brush your hair when your hair is wet unless you have a wide tooth comb. So don't, here I'll give you an example. So I have like a few different combs. This is obviously like a thin comb. Don't run this through your hair while your hair is wet. It's going to cause your hair to break and fall off. So when your hair is wet, it's its most fragile, so you want to leave it alone as much as possible. The biggest thing I can say is just leave your hair alone. Like, let it be ugly, let it do what it's going to do. I know it's much easier said than done. I've been there. I was the girl in middle school and high school that literally had hair up to here and it was so broken, and I would just constantly straighten it and put it up, and I would be messing with it and it would just fall out and never grow. When I stopped touching my hair and stopped doing anything to it is when I saw the most hair growing. But put it in a messy bun, dry shampoo if you can't handle the oil. Just don't touch it. Let's get into this video. I'm going to show you guys how to get this nice, sleek, shiny hair with just a few products and the straightener. Okay, so don't mind this like really weird bun at the top of my head. I usually just like to part it in half to straighten it. So yeah, anyway, so this is my hair, half up, half down, before I've straightened it or anything. Like, I know I have really straight hair, but I do like to straighten it because since I have such thick hair, literally I look like a lion before I do anything to it. So I start off by washing my hair per usual. I wash it with Biolage. I personally got this one at Walmart not too long ago. I know that they sell it in like Sally's and like professional beauty stores like that, but yeah, I have never really used any fancy shampoo or anything. I swore by Tresemme, the Color Last one, since I dye my hair for the longest time. But then I mix it with this Sleek Shot. I've been using this for a really long time and I like it. It makes your hair like super soft and yeah, just like sleeker, I guess, you know, Sleek Shot. Then I use the Biolage conditioner, and I actually mix this with my favorite product. Seriously, guys, if you don't condition your hair with Aussie 3-Minute Moist, what are you doing with your life? And then after that, I just dry my hair per usual with a towel, and then I spray It's a 10 in it. I love this stuff. It's a little bit on the pricier side, but I think it's so worth it. Yep, I just blow dry it with a Baby Bliss Pro. This is actually my mom's, but I steal it. I use it with this Nano Thermic ceramic and iron brush. I don't know, I just, you know, do that whole motion thing. It works good for me. I have been using one straightener literally since 7th grade, and it still works for me. Like, I just cannot part ways with it. I've tried other straighteners, but like this one just always works. So I'm like, why buy another one if this one works just fine? But it's the Wet to Straight by Remington. Another one that I like to use is the Nano Titanium by Baby Bliss Pro. I know that you have to have a cosmetology license to buy this because I think that you can only buy it in like the professional beauty stores, but yeah. without further ado, like I said, I part my hair one time and then I just put it on in a bun on the top of my head, and then I just section piece by piece. So I start off with these little sections in the front, and then yeah, just start working through. So the sections in the front of my hair are really short, and I think it's because I think it's just from like wearing my hair in tight ponytails, especially being in the military. I have to pull my hair back really tight, and then I think like maybe those pieces were just weaker, or I have no idea, but they definitely have like broken off. Like obviously my hair isn't this short, but they're growing slowly but surely. So that's pretty much it. So then I'll just kind of comb through my hair one more time. And then, oh my goodness, you see how red my chest is? This is just from the hot hair falling on my chest. Then I just take some argan oil. Here, I'll show you. Focus. This is just one from Walmart, and I'll just take some in my hands and smooth it around. Not too much, because girl's not trying to have greasy hair on day one of hair wash day. Feel me? But yeah, honestly, that's pretty much it. Done by now, and it's super sleek, and I love this look. I'll show you the all of it again. It's super long. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye guys.